Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a delicious southern bread pudding with butter rum sauce. So let's get started. First off, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and brush a 6 to 8 cup baking dish with melted butter. Here we have cut day-old raisin bread into cubes, 1 whole loaf. In a bowl or measuring cup, beat 4 large eggs, add half a cup of milk with half a cup of whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, one tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of raisins that have been soaking in rum. Now place the bread cubes into a baking dish. Now pour in the egg milk mixture over the bread. Push the bread down using a spatula and sprinkle over some chopped pecans. Cover with foil and bake for 40 minutes and then uncovered for 20 more minutes. In the meantime, let's make the rum sauce. Over medium heat, add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 3/4 a cup of sugar, and stir. Now add 3 tablespoons of rum, and a half a cup of heavy cream. Stir consistently and be careful as it will rise quickly and could overflow. Once larger bubbles appear, you will have to lift up your pot quickly. It's thick, creamy, and smells wonderful. Now remove your bread pudding from the oven and cut a very large piece. Finally, pour the dream cream over it. You have to try this. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss another Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Feel free to comment any suggestions you may have or future video ideas. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.